Hi everyone. Thank you for writing such wonderful introduction paragraphs yesterday for your argument essays. Today you're going to write your conclusion paragraph. Yes, this is the last paragraph. Hooray! Great job everyone. So today you're following my numbers here to help you in this organizer come up with your sentences for this paragraph. I'd like you to also look carefully at the color-coded sentences that go along in my example paragraph having to do again with social media. Okay, follow right along. Use these sentence starters and helpful hints to complete this. The one section I want to talk about is number 4. So when you get to number 4 for this paragraph, you're coming up with a counter claim or counter argument and a rebuttal. So what you have to think about is your topic's opposing side and what would those opponents say against your claim. So for example, if your claim is competitive sports benefit teens, what would the opposing side say? And you might think, well, they might say competitive sports are too costly or competitive sports cause too many injuries. So you need to pick one of their views to plug into this sentence. So you're going to say something like this if your topic is competitive sports. Opposing views may say that competitive sports are too costly for families. And then you have to come back and rebut it, squash it with a fact or maybe even a quote to prove your side, to bring everyone back to your side. So with this counter argument and rebuttal, remember, this is like your last try at persuading everyone to believe in your claim. Okay, so you want to make your rebuttal good. You could say something and then add a quote to even prove it more. Okay, so it's something like, however, my claim is right because families could buy equipment at secondhand sports shops, and then maybe you could have a quote to go along with that. Okay, so you're going to acknowledge the other side. That's what a counter argument is. But then squash it, because you have to do this part. You have to do the rebuttal, or you're going to be leaving the reader wondering about your claim and not being persuaded about your claim at all. So you've got to come back and squash it and give them a reason. Give them a reason to believe your side. Then you conclude it. Okay? So that's going to be your paragraph. Your job today, or the spot you're doing it, is down here. Okay? Again, look closely at my example to help you get going with transition phrases and words. The most important part that I'm really going to be looking at, though, again, is right here, okay? Your counter argument and how you squash it. Because this is your last chance to prove to the reader that what you're saying is what they should believe in. Okay, great job, everyone. I can't can't talk, sorry. I can't wait to read your last paragraph of your essay. Oh, by the way, we have a code word today for Team Allagash. Your code word is YOU. Y-O-U. Good luck.